I saw this little, what do you call this fountain? And I was driving past on the road, and I was like, let me go ahead and pull over really quick. So yeah, I'm about to hook the mount up here, and then I'm gonna drive around and get some footage of that. I don't know where I'm gonna be at, but yeah. So this video should be pretty lit. This is gonna be my first video with the 360 camera on. I'm not gonna be doing no fast pulls or nothing like that. Tomorrow though, I'm gonna go to a spot where I'm able to do more fast pulls and driving more, aggressively. So I just hooked up the 360 camera on the back. I seen a car ride by. He turned his signal on, so I'm pretty sure he about to come in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and head out, but it should be on. Go ahead and drive out before he pull up. Let's go. Yo, some boy did